guess. Yeah, I guess we'll go. Today we're having some coming. Okay. Yeah. Big thing. And someone become baby goats. That's awesome. But they're so tired. Oh, I've been so sick too. But I got to go. Ooh. Ugh. Not one dishwasher here. Ugh. Found one. Found one. Turn the water on, turn the water on, turn the water on. Now turn it off, turn it off. Put in the coffee maker. Ah! There we go. My coffee maker. Yes. Coffee I had last night. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Now to pick my mug. I cannot pick that one. That's mother. That's Little Fairies. There's Starbucks. Starbucks. Stitchy. Let's go with Stitchy again. Stitchy! Put Stitchy there. No, 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 no. No. Put Stitchy there. Go to the refrigerator. Refrigerator. Get the caramels right in the back. Open our part of the refrigerator. You're not that skinny no more, Susan. Talking to myself, people behind the camera. Go back here, set that there, shut the refrigerator, because you don't want your refrigerator to beep. Yeah, don't let your refrigerator beep. Now, turn the camera back up that way around, people. Now, I don't put sugar in my coffee. Take your creamer. Halfway. Set it there. And pick a caramel. Pick the caramel. We're going to use this one today. Shut that. Push your button. And there you go. Put your creamer up for the little fairy not get mad at you. Boom. Coffee! We got coffee. We got coffee. We got coffee. Yay! Crazy Lucy's happy. There you go. Oh, and current coffee maker off. I forgot to get a spoon. Ta-da! Teaspoon! For your tea! But we're using for the coffee. See, using it for the coffee. Using it for the coffee. Mix your creamer and your coffee together. There we go. Now, Kate, get to the sink. We washed dishes last night. How cool are we? We was tired. Coffee. Coffee's awesome. Very awesome. Yes. You're gonna see in me and my glasses. I got coffee now. Let's go back to the beaver. Take your coffee to the pebble. Put it on your makeup stand. Makeup table. Okay. Okay, I just got contacts in. Oh, so much better. Glasses do not like. Nowadays, I just want to wear glasses. And my nose is dripping. Now, I normally do rather I put my glasses in, my contacts in. Is put some more solution on top of my contacts. Because I just do that. Okay. On my job. There we go. Now turn on the display off. Put you on the selfie stick. And we're going back out there in the airport. Okay. See y'all in the airport. Okay. I gotta open my door. I gotta open my door. No, my door closed. That means Susan's recording everyone. Get your coffee. Okay. There's another person in there.
Okay, Susan, we need stuff now. We gotta get
Stuff.
going.
I need to hurry up. I can move.
Yeah.
He moves.
Am I on your way or something?
No.
You sure?
We need to tattoo stuff, Susan.
I don't know where that's
Hurry
at.
up.
I don't know where that's at.
Yeah, the stone thermal boundary down across the zone.
We're going outside. Oh, there's water. And Evie. We're going to go to the building. I gotta get the tattoo kit. I have a video how you do the tattoo. Please go watch that if you want to know how to do tattoos. But we have people visiting us too. Let me push the camera around. Yeah, well, I said we're having people visit us. And they're going to try to do tattoos. Show them how to do tattoos and stuff. Yeah. I'm in the building. Now, wherever I put my tattoo kits, I gotta find it. Okay, right now, I gotta find tattoo kits. And I'll be right back. Okay, I found a tattoo kit. Because in that one video I made, you couldn't see what the tattoo looked like. But that is your ink. That is some more ink. And then there's all the little thingies for it. Okay, let's go take this to them. Okay, let's go take this to them. Like I said. Put it there. There. Turn the lights off. Here we go. Found it. I guess I can make sure every little needle thingy. Oh, give stick everyone. Oh, my nose. Oh, that hurted. Hurted. Okay. Hopefully I put all the, yeah, what I said, the alphabet numbers thingies in there. Okay, I'm back in. There's the baby goats. They're all except one or two. I think two. Yeah, two haven't been fed. Little fairy has to go to the store to get y'all some milk. Yes. Now, people on the other side, I'm going to switch. Yes, I switched the camera around. We're walking around the house. Again. Y'all haven't been on my Instagram. There has been something new. I have been posting on my Instagram. My bunnies have babies. Yeah, bunnies are this way. I'm walking to the bunnies. The bunnies. The bunny. The bunny. The bunny. All I want is the bunny. The bunny. Again, the bunnies. Okay, we're to the bunnies. Oh, sorry about that, everyone. I was scratching my nose. We're going to turn the camera around for y'all. Little boy here has his own cage now. Yes, Simba. There's Totoro. I have new feeders for her and new water. He has the old ones. I'll get him new ones soon. Now we're going to show you the babies. Showing you the baby bunnies. They're so cute. And showing you all bald. The baby bunny I like. The baby bunnies. So cute. Yes, they're so cute. They're learning how to walk. Totoro, you done so good. You've been so good, Mama. Are you? There's her food, her water, and turn y'all around again. You see our burn ball. Yes, so cool. So cool having baby bunnies. I gotta get Simba some food and make sure he has some water. Yes, get Simba some food and make sure he has some water. My face is getting wet because the sun. Okay. Simba's food. Yes, Simba's food. Goody. Give it to Simba. Let him have his food. Show you Simba eating the food. See, Simba's eating his food. Simba's gonna whip that thing around. I need to buy you some carrots. Okay, I'll show you the bunnies. Let's see, walking around the neighborhood. There's Captain. Yay, Captain. There's Evie. Hey, Evie. Hey, Evie. Evie. Y'all can't see Evie. Evie, where are you? We're getting to the old goats. Big goats, grown goats, whatever you want to call them. They're good goats. And I got milk still. Oh, I got milk still. They got water. Good. Let's check the other group for water. This is so cool walking around talking to y'all like this. And dang, I got a good story in my life again. Y'all, story in my life is awesome, isn't it? Gotta go a little bit more. Gotta go a little bit more. Ha, 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 ha. I got them. Got to go over here. They have water. Good. Yang is crying. Yang's always crying. Yes. Okay. I am going to say bye to everyone. And please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you for watching this video.